caliper next. Comes, and that brake line just comes right out. There she is. Don't lose any of these screws. Okay, this bracket just comes away. There you go. And then I'm going to just remove this little castle nut off the top of here. Castle nut and washer. Pull this whole mechanism out. There's the cable. Emergency brake. It's also got a washer on the back. And this little mechanism pushes, when it's pulled, pushes the shoes out. I can actually remove this inner hub. It comes right out. Another difficult thing to get off is this hub. I've seen people show 2 crowbars either side and use leverage to pull it out, but that didn't work for me on the other side. So what I did was remove the whole trailing arm, emergency brake, assembly and everything together with the hub, and you put it in the vise on the bench, and then I press the hub out. We get 23 degrees. Look at that, bushing is just gone, and the metal edge was riding on here. It was worse on the other side, but I've got some new Elephant Racing rubber bushings to go in there, so that'll solve that. With a couple of 17mm wrenches, I'm going to undo this bolt. There you go. There's one, and then okay. Take off the washer. With the weight of the trailing arm supported on my jack, now I should just be able to, there it comes, and out comes the shock, all dirty. And put a little dish underneath it in case there's any fluid that's going to come pouring out. Out the way. She comes on trailing arm. So with the trailing arm removed, I'm going to remeasure the angle of this spring plate. Okay. And we have 32.5. Come on. It's coming. There you go. There we go. Thank God for that. greased up all right. Oops. There you go. Torsion bar out. Excellent.